As twilight settles over the mountains of Sapa, the day's work is far from over. Out here, growing up means stepping up, and even the youngest kids play a huge role in keeping the family farm running. Sapa's kids are the ultimate farm hands. Their days regularly include foraging for wild plants, carrying heavy loads of firewood, babysitting younger siblings, and being responsible for herding livestock, all before the sun even goes down. Meet tonight's shift supervisor. Her evening chore? Escorting this highly chaotic, easily distracted squad back home before dark. It's a lot of pressure when your entry-level job involves managing 20 stubborn bird brains. While kids elsewhere might be arguing about cleaning their room, she's out here mastering logistics. Look at that hustle. Nothing motivates a duck to cooperate like a kid who means business. Forget video games, this is real-world strategy. All it takes is a 2-foot bamboo stick and pure determination to command the highway. Move over, motorbikes. This girl is walking her duck squadron home. Just a casual evening commute down the mountain path, proving that responsibility doesn't have to have an age limit. It takes serious patience to keep a flock from wandering off a scenic cliffside at dusk. In my opinion, she's keeping better lane discipline with these ducks than most drivers manage with their car or motorbike. And there it is, back at the home pond for the night. The squad is accounted for, the family chores are done, and Sapa's smallest supervisor can finally clock out. Until tomorrow's shift. If you like what you see in this video, feel free to leave a comment, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. And we'll see you in the next one.